Excuse me, I was testing the mic there real quick. So tonight we're gonna do a little bit of programming. Hope you don't mind. Gotta do some paperwork, of course. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to create the backbone for a paywall for our Minecraft server. Everyone will appreciate this, huh? It's gonna be good, tasty. So, where is the stuff on my screen? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Let's see here. Maybe I should move some windows around. So, pardon me for not being very prepared at all today. It's what happens when you go dine someone's place and then you you know, eat well. Let's see here, Mr. Streamudesu, how can I help you? May I help you? Is her? No? Maybe I've removed that. Okay. We'll do it the old-fashioned way then. Record desktop, I suppose. So, yes, a paywall for our Minecraft server. Let's start off. What we need today is, first off, we need a way to communicate with our server, our Minecraft server, that is. Excuse me while I fetch that document. I have a document somewhere, I promise. I've been preparing in advance for this. If you don't believe me, then that's you know, reasonable. I guess. Where is my thing? Where's my thing? Not here. I hadn't prepared as well as I thought I did. Okay. Excuse me. I'll be keyboarding a little bit on my other computer. Okay. Just so that I know what I've planned on starting on and all of that jazz. So to start with, we'll make a script in Ruby. And we'll use that to facilitate whatever PayPal transactions might occur. Also, your mom is a fag. In case you didn't know, you know, you might need this information later. Let's see here. Where are we? Where am I? Let's just start here in Notepad++, I suppose. Because what we really need is a some kind of program that will let us communicate with a Minecraft server given that we have the correct password and stuff, which we of course assume that we do. So let's have a look here. The Minecraft wiki says we have a specific format we need to address. I surely hope this is visible. Excuse me while I move Windows around, just to make sure. Kind of. There we go. Yeah. So, Minecraft remote server access is what we are going to start with today. Is that no? Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. So, according to the format of things on the wiki, excuse me while I copy this. What we need is an integer, which is the length of the remainder of the packet being sent, because when we are communicating with the Minecraft server we are talking about packets. Yes, we send all or nothing, baby. Additionally, we need a request ID generated at user side. Yeah. Did I mention your mom is a fag? This is useful. We need a type for the message. It can be either three, meaning a login is occurring, or two, a command is being run, or zero by default for a multi-packet response. Tasty terminology there. So additionally we have an array of bytes, which is the payload of our message to the server. In addition, we need to pad the packet we send to the micro server using 2 null bytes. So that's good for what's it called? A plan. Yeah, a plan. Have I set up my to-do list yet? No, I haven't. It's fine. It's fine. So we'll just get started right ahead, I suppose. Let's implement this. So I've been thinking about doing this in Python. I think that would make sense. Although Ruby would be preferable. But you can't have it all, can you? So we'll have a look at the documentation real quick, see what we can do about this mess. This mess of rules. Surely it will work. Yeah. So apparently we use the pack method from the struct package included in Python2. Satan. Vittu Satan. So let's just get on that. There we go. How can I display both things at once? Let's see here. Like this. Extend the screen. Yeah. Just about there. Should be good. Tiny bit shorter, perhaps? Yeah, tiny bit shorter. Yeah, so on the right we'll keep the to-do list, I suppose, and on the left we'll be doing the actual code. So how do we create such a packet? I suppose first we import the struct stuff from Python. Import struct, please. Let's just save this file immediately. I hate naming things, but let's name it arsehole, just for simplicity. So we import this module, then we need a format, then some inputs to be packed. Let's see here, what is the format stuff? Now, in for the Minecraft server, we would need. Didn't I have a window for this? Oh my god. Okay. Fine. There we go. Remote connections. Archon is a protocol that allows server administrators to remotely execute Minecraft commands. So there's a little bit of configuration needing to be done on the server side. It's no problem, I've done it already, cause I'm a good boy. We have the format of the packet. Let's see here. Responses are sent back with the same request ID that you sent. In the event of an authentication failure, request ID will be sent to -1. Fair enough. These are the login, the packet types. Is there no more information about this. It's interesting. Fine. We'll just have to follow the cookbook then, I suppose. So, using these struct things, maybe I should just put the documentation on the other screen so I can just very tasty. I can just assume you all know the stuff needing to be done. So, first off, about the packet format. Integers are a little endian in contrast to the Minecraft protocol. Responses are sent back with the same response ID that you sent, except if you fail to authenticate, of course, which is -1 request ID. So let's define a function for sending a Minecraft server message. That's a long method name. No, doesn't matter. So we'll have a server IP and a to send it to, and we'll have a message type. We'll also have a message payload. With these things, we can do many interesting things. Let's have a look here. So the first 3 things we need are 3 numbers: the length of the remainder of the packet. Little bit difficult, no? Let's leave that for later. Length equal to 152,000. Yes. Rest off. Request ID. Actually, I think I should put this in here in the parameters for the method. Request ID. Here we go. Then we'll just ID is equal to request ID, like this. You know, I have a strange feeling I've been forgetting something today, and it's kind of grave. This error I've made. Where is my chat? Where's my chat? Something did feel off. Pardon me for that. So, after the request ID, we need a type, login, command, or otherwise, you know, which is the message type defined by the parameters. The message payload, though, needs to be wrapped around some funny junk. We need to handle this accordingly. So, for the integers, we do need little endian things. Yeah. We do. So excuse me while I look at the docs for this. Format characters have the following meaning. The conversion between C and Python values should be obvious given their values. The standard size column refers to the size of the packed values in bytes when using standard size. That is, the format starts with one of the characters. When using native size, the size of the packed value is platform dependent. Right, so we need integers, and as far as I know, they are usually 4 bytes in length, whether they are assigned or not signed, which is fine. That's good. So let's go for a regular assigned integer then. Small caps I. And then we need the little endian stuff for the integers. Yeah. So let's say we have a message. The message is actually I need to restructure my importing. From struct import everything, please. That would be helpful. So let's say we have a message, then using such send message we'll fill it out with some stuff. So let's say we have a package containing 3 integers using the little endian scheme, which would be in this case be the length, the ID, and the request type. Actually, I think I'll rename that variable just to distinguish it from the type, which might be a keyword in Python. I don't remember anymore. So we have 3 integers. Should be good. Should be good. Then here comes the scary part. We'll just put in our message payload. If that's the name I give it. No, I didn't. No. There we go. Message payload. Then we'll add on some padding, as it's called. The 0 bytes at the end. 0x. How does that go again? Slash 0x00. There we go. And we'll duplicate that line for simplicity. So let's what's it called? Assert that we have implemented this correctly. Yeah. Actually, I haven't, because the length is wrong. The length is wrong. So let's remove the length from the package, the pack stuff. Then we will add that on the end, on the start rather. Something plus the message, which we've already deciphered. Pack little endian integer using length, where length is equal to the length of the message in bytes. That should be good. So let's write a short method for testing this. If the name of our program is main, then we should run Minecraft server message using a request ID, server IP, message type, and a payload. So let's try with a request ID of 1 because it's the first message request. Then a server IP, which I have somewhere. I have a server IP, don't I? I do. Why do I have a tab open that says my pussy? Oh, it's different development thing I'm working on. So here we have the IP. Also Discord. Whoops. So let's insert the IP address. Message type would be message type should be 3, if I understood well. No, let's go with 0. And we'll 0 is the message type. We'll just do a simple command. Let's list all players. So we save that, try it out in the console, git bash. Go to the desktop, please. Then use Python to run our arsehole script. Hopefully we will get a list of players. Oh, invalid syntax. What have I done wrong then? Oh, whoops. Big mistake, actually. Don't tell anyone. Kind of embarrassing. It's fine. Let's try again. No? Invalid syntax. Well, fuck off then. We'll oh, there's a space there and it's not supposed to be there. Whoops. Let's try again. No? Did I forget to save the file? Maybe maybe your mom is a slut or similar. It's affecting my performance. Okay, so we got a list of the 0. which is kind of fine. Maybe I should go into the server. I should log in there, have a look. Oh right, it doesn't do anything, it just makes the message, of course. So print this, please, perhaps. No? Gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. So how can I mediate this in a fast and negligible way? Let's see here. Would you create a request? Would you create a request, don't we? Please. Please. Ah, for fuck's sake. No? Okay. Program doesn't respond. Well, I suppose we'll have to send, or no wait, we can write this to a file, yeah, and then check the file. So Python2 file. So this is about fancier input and output, reading and writing files. That's what I want. F equals file.open. Okay, we'll go with that. So fill is open a file called, let's say let's assume we have a request ID and it is equal to 1. It is the first request ID. So request ID will wrap that, turn it into a string, so Python doesn't get confused with the numbers and the text, of course. We'll open it using the mode called write, of course. So from there on, if the file is open, we just write to it. Yep, file.write. We'll just chuck this in here. There we go. Very nice. So first off, let's open our file explorer so we can see this happening in real time, or some shit. Yep. Oh, whoops. That was FileZilla. Pardon me. Hello, desktop. Aren't you cute today? So we have a set number of files. Let's think, you know, I think perhaps I should do something else with a file name. Let's say the file name is Minecraft query, and then we add on the request ID. Yeah, sounds good. No. So, did I mention your mom is a slut? Maybe I didn't. Let's close the file after we've edited it, of course. So, let's see what happens when we run the file. Perhaps nothing happens. Where's the thing? Come on, you son of a bitch! I made the thing, you know. Come on, please, give it to me, baby. Oh, okay. So perhaps that will help a little bit. Perhaps I need a file type extension, so just text file. Let's see here. Python, please. No file yet, huh? You son of a bitch. Python, I will one day, I swear. I'll kill you. But it's fine. It's fine. Why isn't the file stuff working? Should be very, very basal, yeah? So, assuming we have the let's just comment out some of this. FYL.write. This text isn't supposed to be here. Oh boy. Something like this. And then hopefully we'll have a file. And if I don't, I'm gonna cry a little bit, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, that didn't help at all. Where's my file? For fuck's sake! Oh my god! Is it in my? Perhaps it's where I've installed Python. Maybe that's where it shows up. No? Also, I'm kind of sorry you had to see some of my porn collection there. Pardon me. I swear, it's very nice. So, in this heap we have... Do we have any text documents in this heap? Files? By any means. Python files, which is good. PYC files, very good. No? Where are my files? Why doesn't this work? This is most confusing. Fuck it. Well, maybe we'll have to figure something else out. No? Perhaps this isn't too visible on my screen, but I can there we go. Yeah. Zoom in, make the font size a little larger for you. I know you like it large. So let's copy all of this. I think. No, not all of it. There we go. So Python, please. Why are you so fucking slow today? Is it the Minecraft thing, perhaps? Maybe I should close this? Yeah, I think so. Thought so, bitch. I'll close down some other stuff as well, I suppose. For performance. Come on, please. I need this. This is exactly what I needed tonight. Maybe now, Niall, you see why I don't stream so often. Because things never work, ever. And it's very demotivating. Fuck's sake. Give me the money, you... Yeah. It's not supposed to take 5 minutes, but it kind of does. It kind of does. Fuck, come on. Why are you stalling? This isn't right. Yeah, there we go. Text disappeared. Close the window. Maybe. Whenever you want to. Of course. Unless I force you to first. There we go. Why is this so obnoxiously slow? This is positively detrimental. So again, let's copy all of that text. We'll see how Python interacts with it, I think. this shouldn't take this long. I guess we'll just have to wait then for the for my machine to decide what it is doing. At least in the meantime, we can enjoy the jazz or the blues. We'll see. Imagine if your mother was a vacuum cleaner. Then she would give the good sucks. Yeah. You know, just don't tell her directly, just give her a slight nod or something, you know. I would appreciate that. Why is this still loading? It's supposed to it's supposed to fuck my pussy immediately when I'm on demand. Do I perhaps need to close down some windows? Your mom is a slut. I'm not sure if I'm into that yet. In the abstract sense, that is. Right, we'll wait for 5 minutes, and if Python doesn't respond, we'll call it off. And we'll make something else instead. For example, the paywall itself needs a little bit of stuff being done to it. For example, we need a PayPal button. We need to make sure the PayPal button responds. Very important. We need to make sure the PayPal button has a way to connect to our Minecraft server. What else do we need? We need a yeah, pretty much. That's all we need. We need a database, or who has and who hasn't paid. Very simple. Shouldn't take more than half or a full hour. Sake. Why is this taking forever? It's not normal. Not normal. So, in the meantime though, perhaps I can do something better with my life. I wish that was possible. So let's make a web application together. Yes. Now, I kind of started a little early on this web page stuff. Hope you don't mind. Just copying some files from another project that I'm working on. For example, the PayPal button itself. So we'll just reuse that, I think. Yeah, we'll reuse that, modify it to fit our needs. Come on, Python, you wench. Why Python? Why now? Why now? For fuck's sake. Let's try some good old Windows command prompt. Asshole. Give me the command prompt, not the fucking control panel. Right, so let's go to the desktop. From there, let's try Python. Yes, there it is. Hello, Python. What are you doing here? Fuck off, window. So let's just paste in the code from earlier, yeah? And from there, pardon me. So let's see what happens if we make sure we have a string called f, which uses the Minecraft server message function we defined earlier, having a request ID, for example 1, and a server IP, whatever. Then we need a message type, which is 0 in this case. I think doesn't matter. And then we'll try the command called list. Let's hope to God we get something good out of this F message. Oh, this is promising actually. So it has a what the fuck is happening here? These are supposed to be hexadecimals. They are supposed to be hexadecimals. Yet we have this list thing suddenly appearing here. I suppose I'll need to modify our script. Message is equal to. I need to do something about how I add the payload thing. Add a pack of a string, yeah? But how do you respond now then? Please exit Python, re-enter, and then will do all the things. So there we are. Then maybe I have yeah, f is equal to the Minecraft server message, etc, etc. Very good. Print f, please. Now that's more promising, I gotta say. Although the no, this isn't correct. I'll need to look at the documentation. This is supposed to be longer. It is supposed to be longer. So where's the document I had for that? Let's see here. S and P stand for void, no, for string arrays, yes. Then then why aren't you working correctly, you son of a bitch? Let's remove the padding at the end of the message, see what happens. Just for fun. Then we'll retry the thing. Please? Please. So we have a tab at the start. Tab character, that doesn't sound right. But the first byte is correct. It corresponds with the request ID. The server IP isn't there. Let's insert something. Seems like Python doesn't like it when we do that. Or I've been forgetting to add it to the thing. Actually, no, never mind. The IP isn't supposed to appear. So we have the first 4 bytes plus the mysterious padding. From there on, we have 1 byte with a 1, which corresponds to this. Then we have something mysterious indeed. To 0 bytes, then a byte. No, it's not a byte even. Yeah, never mind, it is a byte, but I don't know how to interpret it. What is this? Who is this mysterious byte of ours? And it's supposed to, at the end, if I remember my script correctly, we remove the length shenanigans, how does this correspond with our reality? So exit Python, please, rerun, paste in the code, then go back to the good old F, print F. Right, so this is even shorter than we had earlier, unfortunately. So what have I done differently? I've removed length from the start of the message, and yeah, not much else. Yeah, and that's pretty strange. So I suppose this character here, up here, highlighted in white now, is the supposed length of the full message, but that's false. I wish it wasn't so. Whatever. We have in our script now we have 2 integers which should be packed correctly. Are they? 1 0 0 0. Good. Then we have a strange occurrence, sort of. 0 1 0 0 0 0 L. This L is bothering me. I don't think that's supposed to be there for our implementation, that is. Wait. Right now we have the message unpacking, or rather packing into binary format, I suppose. 2 integers and then a string, which would be slightly longer than this, but it isn't. So what is wrong here? We have 2 bytes with the value of 1. That's for sure. That's this part. But then we have the how do I zoom in here? And whatever, doesn't matter. We have the skinny penis here at the end. The L, which I don't like. That introduces uncertainties. The skinny penis. So 2 integers of totaling 8 bytes plus 1 byte should be fine. Why isn't this working? Perhaps I need this instead of the other syntax. Let's exit, retry. Your mom is a slut. I've had that happen a couple of times, where you know, your mom is being hard to satiate. Got me a rash even. So let's try this message. No. 4 bytes. 4 bytes, and then a skinny penis. Harumph. Alright. What am I doing wrong, Python? Tell me, you motherfucker. Maybe I just need to do this in C code, or perhaps in Ruby. I thought I'd researched well before this session. Ruby binary data, I suppose. The main difference is in encoding of read data. In binary mode, you will get data encoded in ASCII 8-bit, which is a format for representing byte strings. You want to use this encoding when working with binary data. Very good. So you can do this in Ruby. Then I suppose we'll do Ruby, cause Python is a slippery snake. Like my dick. So convert a string to ASCII values. This will convert every character in the string into a decimal value. Hey, I'd like to help you become a better Ruby developer. Hello. I put together a free email course with my best Ruby tips. Just the tips. No thank you. Good offer though. This will convert every character in the string into a decimal value, which is interesting. I don't need notice the C star argument for unpack. This is a format string which tells unpack what to do with data. In this case, C means take one character and convert it into an integer value. The asterisk just says repeat this format for all the input data, but then it's not a decimal value, is it? It's an integer value in decimal form. You imbecile. Didn't you take integer calculus or something? Dummy. So we can convert hexadecimal into strings, which is good. What we need is the other way around. But I suppose that's the exact kind of thing we need. The H used with the pack method gives you a hexadecimal number with 2 string conversion. Oh, okay. So I think what I need to do is pack my code. Babe. Into binary format in Ruby. So require. Do I need anything for this? Perhaps. No? It just works without any importing. Very nice. Let's have a look here. require nothing. Let's define a method called fishes. Fishes. Yes. Wherein, let's see here. I gotta save the file so we get the syntax highlighting. Fishes.ruby. Yeah. So within fishes, we do get the same parameters, I would assume. Of course. So, to start off, we need a string. Oh, I'm kind of burpy today, pardon me. Let's have a look here. Do they have any fucking hiccups also? I'm gonna hold my breath for a long time during this stream. So, the format strings mentioned earlier aren't kind of yeah, they aren't represented here at all. Why not though? Please give me the data. Let me read the fucking manual. So let's see. Ruby pack. What's the name for that again? Oh my god. Format string. There we go. Excuse me. Just head right in there. Who packs the contents of the array into a binary sequence according to the directives in a template string. See the table below. Directives A and Z may be followed by a count, which gives the width of the resulting field. The resulting directives also may take a count, indicating the number of array elements to convert. If the count is an asterisk, all remaining array elements will be converted. All of the directives SSILL may be followed by an underscore or exclamation mark to use the underlying platform's native size for the specified type. Otherwise, they use a platform independent size. Spaces are ignored in the template string. Okay, so this is our directive. It is visible on screen, thank goodness. So we need an integer but is there a way to convert to little endian? Yes, there is. Very nice. So we'll use a signed int, an I, as it's called here, E. Then we'll use the less than sign to indicate the endianness, as it's known. Where's my text editor? Come back to me, babe. So, string is the packing of I less than sign the rest of them, and then we'll just insert the request ID and the message type. What else do we need? We need ID, request type, message, of course, message, we'll need a couple of 0 bytes to indicate the end of the package, and we'll need a length. Something like this, and we'll return the string. Yeah, if I remember my Ruby correctly. Then actually, let's just remove the server IP there from the parameters, just to make this a little less typey. Exit Python, please. You are worthless to me. We'll go to the interactive Ruby interpreter. So, oh, message payload. Yes, I forgot about this. I wonder if the of course they have a string directive. That's exactly what I needed. Bit string, the significant byte first. Let's see here. We need a bit string, but I wonder if the Minecraft protocol prefers little or large endian for their strings. I kinda have to pee very much right now, but I am peeing. Be right back. And coughing. Alright, PP boys and PP girls. The urine is trickling down my leg, and there's nothing that can stop me. So, according to the wiki, the Minecraft wiki, it seems the Minecraft server accepts connections from TCP clients and communicates with them using packets, etc., 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 etc. Actually, and then etc., etc. Data types. All data types sent over the network is big endian, except for the integers. Right. So we'll make sure we have the most significant byte. I can never remember the difference between little and big endian. Little versus big endian. Is that the most significant byte first or latter? So it's a good example over here. So seems the big endian stores things the most significant byte last, which is fine, I suppose. Gotta do it somehow, yeah. So the string should be appended using a what was the format for that again? Come on, there we go. A least significant byte first, so a small b for our format string, and then our message payload. Then we should have some luck, I think. So we are in our interactive Ruby environment. Let's just paste in our code. Then we will call upon our method fishes. Request ID is 1, message type is fucking 1, I guess. No, 0. Our message payload is fish. No. Undefined method pack. Fuck off. Fuck off. What? Why wasn't I told about this? Method array pack. Okay, but for fuck's sake, why didn't any tutorials mention this? Ruby pack. I love reading documentation. At least as long as it works, you know? So, hello pack. So the pack stuff seems to be already included in fucking everything, but fuck me to pieces. Why? Why this? Part of the class array. No, the array class rather. Pardon me. So let's try that. Let's try requiring arrays to be imported. Oh, arrays don't exist. Which is good for no reason. Why? Big harumph, actually. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think I need to... Yes. Yes, I know what to do now. I need to... Or do I know? Oh lord. Oh god. So... Let's see here. Let's make an array out of our integer objects, which is our request ID and our message. Whoops, big caps there. Message type. And then we'll add our array packed. There we go. That should help, I think. Please help. Then our message payload will add message payload. We'll convert that to an array, I think. Actually, let's see how this goes first. Huh? Oh, the array thing. Yeah, gotta remove that. Oops. Let's just exit, re-enter, fresh sheets, no stickiness, and then we paste in our junk. Then we call the method. Request ID is 1, message type is 1, message payload is let's say yeah, list as usual. Undefined method fishies. What the, I just defined it. What are you talking about? Did I? No, I don't have any syntax errors, do I? No. Then what the fuck you complaining about, boy? Oh, fishies. I see. I did mean fishies, not fishes. There we go. So another error, we need to pack better. So like this, then actually I have a feeling this might work, but don't quote me on that. So we'll copy paste one more time, redefine our method, then we'll call the function again, see what happens. Page undefined method pack for list. No. What? No. Get out of here. This. What? No. Stupid. What are you doing? Did you mean unpack? No, fuck off. Fuckofsky. I thought that was an array. This thing. Oh. Or. No, wait. Oh. Oops. Let's explicitly convert it to an array before converting. Let's see if that helps. Fuck. Come on. Piece of shit. Come on. Copy the thing. Put it in the thing. There we go. It's not that hard, is it? Let's call the method again, see what happens. Undefined method pack for list. That is annoying. It's very annoying actually. Let's have a look here. Perhaps I can explicitly convert some other things. Explicitly. We'll try that function again, I suppose. And no, kind of. Undefined method to array for a list. Gotta be fucking joking me. To array is the preferred method, isn't it? Fucking. I mean, if you have a look at these examples, it should work fine. Yeah. Should work very fine. Nerf. In the array class, let's have a look at the array class then. Creating arrays, etc., etc. To array, there we go. See, it is a function, and I should be able to use it. Yeah. Then why? Then why this? why this? And it doesn't even give me a well-defined place where my code is breaking down even. Line 88 in fishies, which is less than 88 lines. Yeah, perhaps I need to count characters instead. So right now we are at 2, 30, 60, 70, 88. Undefined method 2 array for a list of strings. It's not even a list of strings, boy. What are you complaining about? This is big harumph. 2 integer. Just doing some conversions. See if that helps. Undefined method 2 array for a list of strings, of course. Fuck me. Okay. So actually array for each do item, and for each item in the array we'll add it to the string. Except it's not the array being converted to an array, it's the item. And then being packed, etc, etc. I have no idea what I'm doing. I guess we're learning together then. So let's try again. Fishies, please. No? Fuck me in the pussy. Let's see here. Can't be converted to an array. Let's try just packing the item instead then. You funny ass guy. Call the method again, please. No? Oh, yeah. Right, so I guess neither of my methods are working today. We'll have to write this in C for some funky ass reason. What is this? We have an array of a request ID to an integer, a message type, in an integer form. We have for each item in that array we pack it and put it in a string. That should be fine. What are you doing? For fuck's sake. let's try instead with the packing the array instead. All copy paste call the function asshole, for fuck's sake. So we have an perhaps this will do the trick. Not defining the string as an array. It's already an array technically, but you know, you never know with these implementation details. Shit can be spooky. Undefined method pack, yeah, again, for a list of made of strings. Okay, and I can't convert, apparently, for some dumbass reason. Well, that's ridiculous. Well, of course I should be able to convert a string into an array. Right, let's see here. Slash string dot to array. There we go. API doc slash ruby slash psych. What? What? No. This is for YAML text format bullshit. I literally inserted a query for something else, but okay. It didn't even let me search for string, give me the right answer. Should have given me a list of answers, for fuck's sake. Oh, so it does seem a string of characters cannot be converted into an array. Oops, that's bad. What do I have in my thing right now? Right here, I had a conversion method, but so to C returns a complex which denotes the string form. Oh, that's not what I want, is it? No, absolutely no. To R, perhaps. To I, to F, to D. What was the last error message I got? Undefined method pack for a string. Oh my fuck. Welcome, Aaron. We are looking at documentation tonight and having fun writing shit. How are you today, Aaron? Let's see. 2R returns the results of interpreting the leading characters in as a rational. That's number theory. I don't need this. Returns the result of the interpreting the leading characters in string as an integer. Yeah, no. 2F returns the result of interpreting the leading characters in string as a floating point number. Nope. Returns the result of interpreting leading characters in string as a big decimal. No. Very no. You just... Hey, oh hey Tash. Hey babe. Just took a 4-hour nap. Nice. You're good. Yeah. That sounds about right. I'm doing good as well. I had a nice dinner at my parents today. We wrapped some sausages in bacon, and then we had a what the fuck is it called? The puck, the meat puck, you know. I think in Canada they call it a burger. So apparently the string class cannot be converted into an array of objects, which is unfortunate. How do I pack a string? This is confusing as fuck. Ruby pack string, please. Burger slash patty. Yeah, I know. I was sort of joking, I suppose. Bacon, what a delicacy it is. I don't get to eat bacon that much. It is expensive. Hope you had a good nap, Aaron. So, packing works with a string as an input. Perhaps that's what I'm doing wrong. No, it needs to be an array. But unpack, perhaps? Perhaps that's what I need. Sorry, we couldn't find the page. What the? Kiss my ass. You... I'll kill you one day. Mr. Documentation. Sleep was good for you, especially considering you always fall asleep in math. Nice. But, you don't need to pay attention in math, do you, Tidon? You do well, don't you? Let's see. Decodes a string, which may contain binary data according to the format string, returning the first value extracted. But I kind of searched for fuck's sake, for something. There we go. Hello. Decodes a string which may contain binary data, etc., etc. The format string consists of a number sequence. Yes. So unfortunately, this is the opposite of what I want. I can unpack a string, but I can't pack a string, and I can't turn a string into an array. So that's annoying. Ruby string to array, motherfucker. You'd probably do better if you didn't pass out. Yes. Like now you're doing unit circle stuff in geometry, which is a bit pointless. Little bit pointless. It's a good introduction into trigonometry though. But yes, the unit circle is very boring. can I convert a Ruby string into array? Please. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Let's see here. I want using a split and then join. Try to use below. I do not know what I'm doing. Any ideas? Oh, for fuck's sake. This is exactly the opposite of what I want. I hate this. No, wait. Oh, wait. There we go. Message payload the characters, then pack those characters. Should be good, yeah. Paste the code. I really like the aesthetics of the slow paste. Let's call the function again, see what happens. Undefined method length, I suppose, is the appropriate term. String dot length. There we go, please. Please, daddy, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, plural. We're working on the Minecraft paywall today, so we're gonna make a script that allows us to remotely communicate with the Minecraft server. For example, kicking people or fucking whatever, you know. We'll do the general case first, and then we'll make a nice web page. White background, just a button. It says I have a nice title for this. What's this? Yeah. Pay up, bitch. You ain't getting in. And then we'll do the connective tissue stuff when we get there. Puns. Unit circle pointless. Interesting. Banning people after they blow up innocent people's houses, for example, or just, you know, the whitelist thing we've been discussing. Come on, this is gonna work, yeah. Come on, please give it to me, daddy. No. Oof. String cannot be coerced into an integer. What am I? Oh yes, of course. Convert the length of the string to an integer. No. To a string. Yes. Yes. Then, after having converted it to a string, we take the characters and we in that string and we pack it into a little endian 4-byte thing. Yeah. Very juicy. There we go. Let's see here. Length plus 4 actually, since we need to account for the entire thing. No, wait. not the entire thing. We need to account for the remainder. So that's the, as it were. Circles don't have points, hence the pointless. They, you know, a point is one of the two defining features of a circle. It's nothing to worry about, but Eric will remember this. Let's see here. Undefined method 2 string. Oh, whoops. I've made a bad typo. There we are. Copy all of this again. Paste it again. Execute the method again. Yes. Fuck's sake. No implicit conversion of string into integer. That's not what I want. I want an implicit conversion of an integer into a string, not the fucking opposite. What are you talking about, Ruby? What the... N-words. N-words everywhere. You remember that kid who stole everybody's things? He commented on a video asking why it was banned. Wonder why? His name was Vertexless. I haven't even seen him. He must have snuck in somewhere. So yes, we have a string. Oh yeah. My boy told me needs some privacy. He closed the doors. I'm gonna read some Arrow manga. Tasty Arrow manga. If I know him well, he has good taste in Arrow manga. So, no, the second comment. Oh, I see. Vertexless. Are circles without vertices? Are you what? No. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. So, what am I doing wrong then? We have a length. We convert it to a string. Actually, let's make a separate variable for that. Shorten this down so we don't have to backtrack as much, of course. It was the circle joke. By point instead of center point. I like math, but I don't get it. I'm sorry. Pardon me. Let's say we have a length of the fucking character representation bullshit we have. So L is the length of the string, yes, and we convert that back into a string, please. Piece of shit. Then we take that L, we separate the characters and we pack it, please. Please, Ruby, please. Anyway, how are you today, boys and gals? How are you today, Tash? How are you today, Aaron? Like the point of a star, circles don't have those. Oh, you mean edges? Yeah. Yeah. I see what you mean now. Yeah. A vertex is it's the meeting point of two edges. I was thinking a vertex is just two numbers, but it doesn't have to be that, of course. Could be three. Ooh. No implicit conversion again. Are you fucking with me? No implicit conversion of string into integer. But again, string into integer. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that at all. Why? Son of a bitch. Perhaps removing those couple of methods will alleviate some of the this rash. Let's hear. No, still the same problem. What's wrong then? Ruby, please tell me what's wrong. Don't you hate it when your math teacher says 2 plus 2 is 4, and then when you try it out on your own, it's it turns out 2 plus 2 is fuck you instead. Fucking piece of shit. I'm not converting anything into an integer. I'm doing precisely the opposite thing. Oh my lord. Length dot characters dot pack. Let's try printing some stuff while we're doing things. But yeah, do feel free to tell me about your day. Beyond the napping, of course, we heard. Oh my god, 13. So it seems to get the length kind of right. Kind of. Negerbarn. So in the start of the message we're sending to our server, we have 3 bytes. No, pardon me. 3 integers. Each are 4 bytes in length. we haven't added the first 4 bytes yet, so we should be at 8. Then using the command list we should add 4 more bytes, so then we're at 12, and we are supposed to add 200 bytes at the end, which takes us to 14, but we are at 13, which is interesting. Though understandable, it's hard for the machine to tell what happens after a 0 byte. That's how text is delimited. Yes, that's the word for it. So, no implicit conversion of string into integer. But from where? You son of a bitch. I will murder your family. Can I print the characters, perhaps? Please? I can't. No, I can. Sort of. Yes? Yes. Yes. No implicit conversion of string into integer. Oh my god. I'm stupid, aren't I? I am. I really am. Let's see here. No? What do you mean no? That's very, very ambiguous. If you don't mind me saying. Oh, whoops. Typo. Let's see here. str.length dot. Turn that into a string, please. Actually, no. Actually, no. Yes. To character, perhaps? I'm Eric. I am. And I am a horse. It's true. Horses are fucking stupid. Don't if a horse tells you anything, don't believe him. He either he's lying or is misled. Let's see here. Ruby integer to character. Looks like that's possible. Char dot pack. Yeah. No. This is what I need, I think. Yeah. We'll paste this, retry. No. Whoops, another typo. NGR, which is a bad word, I suppose. It happens. It's not supposed to be there in my code, but you know, it kind of springs to mind. There we go. Now we have a nice byte string, sort of. It's not supposed to start with a carriage return byte, but that's fine. We have 1 byte equaling 1. Another... what? That's wrong. That's really wrong. Oh, fuck. What have I done? What have I done? Well, this is slightly aside. There we go. So we have the request ID and message type supposedly being represented properly using binary data, and it is not the case. My pussy. And the list isn't here either, which is very annoying. Let's comment out some things, see if that's helpful at all. Also, the carriage return was just the terminal interpreting as such. Okay, so it has a specific value. Okay, so we have 4 bytes indicated at the start, but that's wrong. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, I have a pet cat? No, I don't. I don't. I don't. I wish I had. I really wish I had. A cat is fine too, as they say. Regarding bestiality, yeah. So this is kind of strange result. I think 4 at the start, then we have 4 bytes, then there's 3. But why 3? It's supposed to be 4. Oh, yeah, my pussy, yeah. It's my metaphorical pussy. Yo. My slang gina. Yo. What was I doing? You and your pussy talk, you don't fucking catching me off guard and derailing my train of thought. It's fine, but it's fine. No, I will have to. I will have to. Oh, you gotta go. Hey, fair enough. You have a nice day, Gino. Thanks for stopping by. And thanks for the builds. They're very nice to look at. Where was I? So we have a length starting at 2 bytes, just to be sure, of course. Then, no, starting at 1 byte. Then we add the length of the message payload. Then we add 4 bytes for the request ID and the message type. Your mom is a fag. Although she might not identify as such, but not my problem. Again, we have this string of ours. In the beginning of the string, we pack in the request ID and the message type. Oh, whoops, I forgot a thing. Times 3, not times 2. Here we go. Then, for our message, we turn it into characters and we pack it in binary format. Yeah? Lol. Yeah. Oh, holy shit, it's 2:30. I've got shit to do tomorrow. I suppose once I get this shit working, I'll fuck myself to bed. So, let's just change the name of that because it's offensive. Knigger, there we go. Much better. Much better. Don't you think, Dash? You and your racism. Same. String is packed into a binary format. All we need is the length at the start of the string, inserted into the start of the string, rather. And then maybe since all strings are technically speaking 0 byte terminated, we'll add only 1 0 byte this time. Yeah? Maybe not. We'll see. No? Undefined method str. Oh, whoops. My bad. That's a typo. Plus equals. There we are. Paste. Fuck me. Now that looks more like it. Except for the length. Slightly worrisome. because I think I have a typo again, which is it happens, you know. Anyway, what's for breakfast, Tash? Tell me about your morning. Have you slept well? Did you have nice dreams about potato peelings or something similar? So our message starts with 5. That's erroneous. You mean kinda? Yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah. Yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah. Kangaroo. Because these 5 are... They are not 5, they are 9. So, apparently I need to adjust. Like that, and then... How many integers do I need again? 4, yeah. 4 times 3 plus length plus 1 is not supposed to be 5. It can't be 5. It cannot be 5. The Aussie accent is coming through. Yeah, no, yeah, no. Slowly, but steadily. What's the term again? Trucking, yeah. There we go. 6 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why are you missing 3 bytes? This I wish I was doing this in another programming language. Oh my lord. This is stupid. But what is this? Tell me the weirdest Australian word you know, please. While I try and figure this dumb shit out. So the message payload should be included in the message, but it isn't. Which is, of course, disconcerting. Let's try copy that part. Put that out, please, in the terminal for me to read. Mommy, everywhere else is swanky ass. Oh, you gotta go to work. Yeah, fair enough. You have a good day at work, Tash. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you when I'm feeling productive. Yeah, later. Straight, mate. Still the same error. Intriguing. And the message payload has no output. So that explains that, I suppose. Fucking weird, but okay. What if I do this? Then I should get a good array of letters, no? Oh, Tash, before you leave. Just before you leave, Tash. There you go. So I get the characters individually from the string, but I can't pack them into binary format. What the hell? Perhaps I'm thinking about it wrong. Let's see here. Yeah. Eight-bit unsigned character. Let's go for that. Should be good, yeah. No. Fuck's sake. Kiss my ass. Exquisite. So with since I got the 40 is going, I think it's about time I stop, and apparently I can't solve this. I'll suppose I'll have to write this off stream, and you know what I mean? Yeah. We'll integrate it into a web solution during some other stream, I suppose. I don't know when. Don't have a schedule yet. But yeah. Anyway, if anyone's been watching today, thank you very much. Sorry about the farting. It comes naturally to me. Or out of me, rather. So, thank you for today. I'll head to bed and make sure to keep my nose outside of the bed coverings for considering the smell. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Suck my dick. Like me on Tinder.